Shown here is the given figure from the problem. The problem wants us to arrange this following situation according to the greatest magnitude of magnetic field. So, for a straight current carrying wire or conductor, the direction of the current in the magnetic field can be determined by right-hand rule. So, the magnetic field line circles around the wire. So, the dot here means that the direction of the current is towards you, while X means that the direction of the current is towards the page. Now, for situation A, for the top left, if you put your right thumb pointing at your face,